Good morning, all of
Good
you.
morning. Good morning, sir.
We started doing exercise 15B.
Yes, sir. We were on exercise 15D, second question.
Okay. So we have done question 2.
No, sir. We will do question number 2.
Sir, which question we have to start of which exercise?
Exercise 15D, question number 2.
Okay,
15D.
15D.
Exercise 15D, question number 2. Yeah. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 26 centimeter long. If one of the remaining two sides is 10 centimeter long, find the length of the other side. So in this question, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is given. So this is the right triangle. The hypotenuse is given 26 centimeter. Okay. Hypotenuse is 26 centimeters. And one of the two remaining sides is 10 centimeter. बाकी दोनों sides में से कोई एक side आपको 10 centimeter दी है and you have to find the other side. So let the other side be x. Okay. Let the other side be x. So how you can find the length of the side AB using Pythagoras theorem? You can do it. So we will write that AC square. I'm writing the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, this is your Pythagoras theorem. You will write this in full form. Give the reason in full form. I am writing it in short form. You have to write it in full form. Okay.
Sir, we will make figure also.
Yes, you have to make the figure also. So AC square
Okay.
means 26 square. AB square means x square. BC square means 10 square. 676 is equal to x square plus 100. Okay, I think we have done this yesterday. Am I right? Have we done this yesterday? No,
So no, we are not done. So we have done first one only.
we done only the first one. So 676 minus 100 is equal to x square. That
So
means
what is the full
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras
You
theorem?
were absent yesterday. Obviously. Pythagoras theorem. X square equal to 576 That means x is equal to square root of 576. Square root of 576. How do you find the square root of 576? Yesterday I told you how to find the square root of a number. So 576, you will do the factors of 576, prime factors: 2, 8, 8, 144, 72, 36, 18, 9, 3, 1. Two, 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 three, three. So these are the prime factors of 576. All of you, please see this. How to find the square root of 576? I'm telling you how to find. Do the prime factors of the number, and if there is a pair of two, there is one pair of two, second pair of two, third pair of two, and one pair of three. So how many times 2 is coming? It is coming 6 times. That means there are 3 pairs of 2's. So you will write 2 only 3 times, not 6 times. वैसे कितनी बार है? It is coming 6 times, but you will write half number of times. That is 3 times you will write 2 here. Then 3 into 3. That means one pair of 3 is there. You will write 3 only one time. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to, this is equal to 24 centimeters. Answer is 24 centimeters. Clear, all of you? Note it down in your copies.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Try the third one on your own. It is exactly the same. Question number 3. Try it on your own.
Nice.
Are you doing the third one?
Yes, sir.
only the values, the numbers given in the third one are different. Otherwise, the question is exactly same. Third question, the hypotenuse is 7.5. 7.5 centimeters, and one of the two other sides is given 4.5 centimeters. Okay. One of the two other sides is 4.5 centimeters. You have to find the missing side, which is x. We have assumed that the third side is x. So AC square, that means 7.5 square, is equal to x square plus 4.5 square. 4.5 square. 7.5 square is equal to 56.25. Okay. Square 4.5 square is 20.25. So 56.25 minus 20.25 is equal to x square. 56.25 minus 20.25 is equal to 36. 36 is equal to x square. That means x is equal to square root of 36. 36 का square root.
Sir, 6.
Yeah, the square root of 36 is 6. How do you find it? You do the factors of 36. So first you divide it by 2. 36 divided by 2, 18, then again by 2, then by 3, then again by 3. So you can see in the factors of 36, there is one pair of 2 and one pair of 3. So only one time you will write 2 and one time you write 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 centimeter is your answer. Got it, everyone?
So done.
You done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. The two legs of a right triangle are equal and the square of its hypotenuse is 50. Find the length of each leg. Question number 4. Yeah. So there is a right triangle where it has two sides equal. So in a right triangle, when two sides are equal, only the perpendicular and base could be equal. Hypotenuse is always the greatest side of the triangle. Hypotenuse हमेशा सबसे बड़ी side होती है triangle की. मालूम है आपको? Hypotenuse is always the greatest side, the longest side of the triangle. Okay. So these two sides are given equal. Let us assume that the two equal sides are x each. ABX हो गई, ABX हो गई, because both are equal. And let us assume that this side is y. जो hypotenuse है उसको y मान लेते हैं. Now it is given that the two legs of a right triangle are equal and square of its hypotenuse is 50. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to 50. That means y square is equal to 50. This is given. It is given that y square is equal to 50. This is given. Now you have to find the length of the two equal sides. आपको ये दोनों साइड बताने में क्या होगा. Okay. So we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square मतलब y square. What is the length of AC? Y. So y square हो गया ये. AB square मतलब x square. BC square बोले तो x square again. BC is also equal to x. So now the value of y square is already given. What is the value of y square? It is 50. Put the value of y square here, 50. X square plus x square is equal to 2x square. Okay. ये 2 यहाँ डिवाइड में ले आएंगे तो x square is equal to 50 upon 2. That means 25. So x square is equal to, sorry, x is equal to square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer. So both the sides AB and BC are 5 each.
So done.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Question number 5. The sides of a triangle measure 15, 36, and 39 show that it is a right triangle. Okay. In question 5, all the three sides of the triangle are given. We have to show that the triangle is a right triangle. So the sides, let the first side be A, which is equal to 15 centimeters. B is equal to, second side B is that it is 36 centimeters. And the third side C, it is 39 centimeters. So you have to find that whether it is a right triangle or not. This you have to find out. So first of all, we will which side of the out of the three is the longest in this? कौन सी वाली side longest है out of the three?
39.
39 centimeter.
Centimeter is the longest side. So if it is a right triangle, if it will form a right triangle, that means the third side, the side 39 centimeter will be the hypotenuse. यही वाली side hypotenuse हो सकती है because hypotenuse is always the longest side. तो ये आपकी hypotenuse हो सकती है अगर ये right triangle है तो. So first of all, you will find the square of 39 c square. That means 39 square कितना आ गया देखिए 9 3 into 9 27 27 9 का स्क्वायर होता है 81 1 15 plus 7 22 तो ये हो गया आपका 6 plus 9 15 1521 is the square. Am I right? The square of 39 1521 याद नहीं है आप लोग चेक कर लीजिए एक बार. I think सही है. Yeah. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so this is the square of C. Now you can find a square plus b square also. मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ 1521 आ गया ये कितना आया हाँ ये 1521 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आया बल्कि डोंट राइट द यूनिट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर फाइंड कर लेते हैं a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर बोले तो 15 स्क्वायर प्लस 36 स्क्वायर तो 15 स्क्वायर कितना होगा 15 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 225 प्लस 36 स्क्वायर 093 into 6 is 18 36 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 2 19 9 1
1296.
1296 and if you add these two you get 1521 again. आपको फिर से क्या मिल गया 1521 मिल गया. Okay, so if you see that c square is also 1521 and a square plus b square is also equal to 1521, therefore we can say that c square is equal to a square plus b square. Can we say this that c square is equal to a square plus b square?
Yes, sir.
As it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem so the triangle is a right triangle. Okay. Got it, all of you? It is satisfying the Pythagoras theorem because
Yes, sir.
we can see that the square of one side is equal to the square of sum of the squares of other two sides. जब भी ऐसा होता है that means the triangle will be right triangle. अगर एक साइड का स्क्वायर बाकी दोनों साइड्स के स्क्वायर के सम के इक्वल आ जाएगा that means the triangle is a right triangle. Okay, got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
done.
Sir, done.
Very good. Question number 6. In right triangle ABC, the length of its legs are given as 6 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Find the length of its hypotenuse. Question 6 is very simple, straightforward question. The sides of the triangle, the two legs, that means perpendicular and base, both are given. You have to find the hypotenuse. Very simple. Start doing it, all of you. Question 6. I hope you all can do this on your own also. Simple question. This is the triangle. One side is 6 centimeters, other side is 4.5 centimeters. आपको hypotenuse निकालनी है. Hypotenuse को x लगा दीजिए. Okay, so we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Don't forget to write the reason in the bracket. I am not writing it. You have to write it. What is the reason? क्या reason लिखेंगे आप यहाँ पर?
Pythagoras theorem.
Correct. Pythagoras theorem. Write down the reason. Pythagoras theorem. AC square, that means x square. AB square मतलब 6 square. BC square मतलब 4.5 square. Okay, 4.5 दिया ना third side. 6 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and you have to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so x square is equal to 36 plus 4.5 square, that means 20.25. 6 का square 36 हो गया, 4.5 का square हो गया 20.25. So x square is equal to 36 plus 20.25, you get 56.25. 56.25 मिल गया आपको. Okay, so x is equal to square root of 56.25. 56.25 का square root कैसे निकालेंगे? You first convert this in a fraction. इसको एक fraction में convert कर लीजिए. 5625 upon 100. Do it like this. Do you know how to convert a decimal into a fraction? Decimal हटा के नीचे 100 लगा दीजिए. 5625 upon 100. Now you do the factors of 5625 and 100 separately. दोनों के अलग अलग factors करेंगे. So 5625. Can you all find the square root of 5625 on your own? या मैं करूं? One, 26, 8, 22, 7, 15, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 5, 125, 25, 5, 1. So these are the factors of 5625, one pair of 3 and 2 pairs of 5. So when you write it, you will write 3 only one time and 5 2 times upon 100 का square root क्या होगा? Square root of 100 is 10. 10 का square क्या होता है? What is the square of 10? 10 into 10 is equal to 100. That means square root of 100 कितना हो जाएगा? 10 हो जाएगा. Okay. So now you multiply the numerator. 3 into 5 into 5. What is the product? This is equal to 75. 75 divided by 10 is equal to 7.5 centimeters. So 7.5 centimeter is the answer. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, question 7. This is your homework. इसमें आपको जो आपने question 5 में किया था, you have to check whether the triangle is a right triangle or not. So in all the parts you have to do the same thing. सब में आपको वही काम करना है. Just you have to check whether the sides are the sides of a right triangle or not. तो उसके लिए you will verify the Pythagoras theorem. क्या verify करना है आपको? C square निकालेंगे, देखेंगे क्या आ रहा है. Then you will find a square plus b square, वो भी निकाल के देखेंगे क्या आ रहा है. If it is coming that c square is equal to a square plus b square, अगर ऐसा आ रहा है, that means the triangle is a right triangle. Got it? Have you all understood what you have to do in this? Question 7. सब में यही check करना है बस.
Yes, sir.
So do try question number 7 in home. Okay. Question 8. It is an MCQ. Let's do it in the book only. Question number 8. Question 8 में आपको एक figure दिया हुआ है. You have to tell which of the following is correct. Okay. Which of the following option is correct? Let me draw the figure. It is to be done in the book. Question 8. The triangle given है where this is ABC. Angle A is given, not given. B is given 35. Angle C is given 55 degrees. If angle B is 35, angle B is 55, can you tell me what will be the measure of angle A? Angle sum property आप सबने पढ़ी थी. Angle A कितना आ जाएगा? If you use the angle sum property, you will get angle A equals to
90.
Yes, you will get angle A equals to 90 degrees. आ जाएगा 90 with the help of angle sum property. So can you tell me which side of the triangle is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse कौन सी वाली side है यहाँ पर?
Sir, A.
Angle A तो 90 है. Hypotenuse कौन सी side है? Which side is the hypotenuse?
Sir, A.
C.
अरे तुक्का मारना है क्या? एटलीस्ट कम से कम 10 बार मैंने बताया होगा हाइपोटेन्यूज कौन सी साइड होती है. The side
AC.
अरे नहीं यार. The side which is opposite to the right angle. Right angle कौन सा है? Angle A. Angle A के सामने कौन सी साइड दिख रही है आपको? BC.
BC.
So BC is the hypotenuse. Angle A के सामने वाली साइड कौन सी है? BC है. तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम कैसे लिखेंगे आप? BC square hypotenuse हाइपोटेन्यूज ये है BC, BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस AC स्क्वायर। ये दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। चूज करिए कौन सा वाला है, फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड, कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? थर्ड ऑप्शन इज द राइट वन।
So third option is the
Right one. Hypotenuse. Have you understood what is the hypotenuse of a triangle?
Yes, sir.
Hypotenuse is always the longest side of the triangle, and also it is the side which is in front of the right angle. Right angle के सामने वाली side जो होती है वो hypotenuse होती है। Got it, everyone? भूलोगे तो नहीं है वो?
No, sir.
Okay, so not any time is left for the next question. We will do the remaining questions tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for this class.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.